Hello everyone. Today's date is 8 April, 8 May 2024. My today's topic name is the e-commerce. E-commerce, the electronical commerce. It is the activity of the electronical, the being of the selling the products on the online the service or other the internal the e-commerce the draw of the technologies such as the mobile commerce the electronics of funds the transfers uh, uh, supposedly the China uh, chain uh, the management, internet, the marketing, online transaction, uh, processing, electronic data, intercharges, the uh, inventory, the management the systems, and the automatically data management system and the system e-commerce. It is the largest sector of the electronics industry, and it and is in the turn driven by the technological the advantage of the semiconductor industry. uh, Definition the e-commerce. The term was the concept on the first employed by the Robert Jenscom, the principal the constitution of the state assembly, the ultimate of the commerce. Uh, in the uh, titles and text of the uh, 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 confirmation, electronic commerce at the uh, and in 1984. E-commerce the typically used in the web for the latest part of the transaction is the life circle. Uh, uh, Altrod it might also use the another technologies such as the emails typically e-commerce transaction uh, uh, the include the of products such as the books from the Amazon, the or services such as the music downloads and the form of the digital distributions such as the Turner store. There are the Turner area of the e-commerce online leading the electronics market and the online supporting by the electrical the business. The extend the value of the e-commerce is the allow of the customers to shop online or pay online through of the internet, saving the time of the space of customers and enterprises. The uh, improving the transaction the uh, effectively for the busy office the workers and also the saving a lot of valuable times. E-commerce the business might also employ some of all of the following: online shopping for the retail sales and the direct to the customers, the website and the mobile app, uh, uh, con- conversations, the commerce, the Viva live chat, the chat bots and the value assignment, the providing or the in the online the marketing which is the process third party the business to the customers, or the customer is the no customer the sales. Thank you for